Oh, welcome back guys dito sa General Luna Woodworks. Good afternoon guys, wanna flex this afternoon our done project for today's vlog guys. So guys, eto na guys yung part 2 ng ating wooden gazebo. So done delivery, done install ng ating wooden gazebo. So kanina guys sa part 1 natin, disassemble yan. This one guys, nakita nyo buo na siya. So yan guys, ganyan ang naging setup ng ating wooden gazebo. 7 by 7 feet po yan guys. So guys, yung wooden gazebo ginamit natin dyan guys ay Gimelina, Acacia wood and Mahogany wood guys. So included na guys ang ating center table. Yan, Baroque type na center table guys. So yan, shout out sa ating good client na nag-purchase ng ating wooden gazebo. Alright, so yan guys, ang wooden gazebo na yan guys ay pang-apat na unit na natin. So inshallah pandagdagan pa tayo guys. I hope yung susunod na wooden gazebo ay para sa inyong farmhouse na guys. Yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye. Salute.